How to see Snapchat trash bin. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can see your Snapchat's trash bin. So let's get started. First, let's get one thing clear. There is not a traditional trash bin or recycle bin in Snapchat that you find in other apps. So what Snapchat does have is your data. So what you can do is you can access your own data and download your deleted data as well. So let's get started with that. First, open up your Snapchat and then tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. What we are doing here is we're requesting and then downloading our data, which also contains our deleted content, such as your chat history, your photos, your videos, and all the stuff like that. So to do that, tap on your settings icon on the top right. Then scroll down all the way, and under privacy controls, you'll find my data option. Tap on it, then this page might take some time to load, but hang in there. And while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So there we go, it's now loaded. Now what you'll need to do is here you can see whatever you want to download. So here, if you want your memories, chat history, and shared stories, include that as well. I'll just not do that for now. And if you want your chat history, download your chat history, you can tap on this select icon. If you want your user information, which I don't think you want, just don't do that. Spotlights, shopping, let me remove that, support history, and every other thing. Now, memories and other medias, just keep that in. And your others, such as your search history, your lens selfies, payouts, and other stuff. So let me select that as well. Then tap on next. After you do that, now you can select from the date period of which you want the data of. So you can select all time data as well, or 2 years time, or the last year, or you can simply select few days option from here like this. So you can select few days like this as well. Then here, confirm your email address so they can mail you your data. Then tap on submit. And as you can see, the export is in progress. So you will receive an email when your export is ready. And this process can take a lot of time, as it says here. But after it's done, you will be able to download your data from this page itself. And that's how you can download your deleted data, or that's how you can see your trash bin on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.